Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, November 2nd. We continue with the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, and today's essay is titled Diving Half Blind. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a quote from Thomas Brown. We carry within us the wonders we seek without us. The cormorant and common mewar are seabirds that dive half-blind looking for food. As they go from surface to bottom, air bubbles get caught in their feathers, and this makes them shine. Thus, as they dive, they turn silver. So too we. For don't our bubbles of pain get trapped in our feathers, turning to jewels the closer we get to the current under everything. This is baptism of true feeling. The deeper we go, the slower the world. The slower the world, the softer our way. So we must keep calling each other into the depths of what we know. For below the surface, we all shine. Diving in, we all turn silver. Given to air alone, the cuts of this world burn. But when we dare to enter what is deep, the bruises we carry soften and glow. In truth, the more we accept our limitations and surrender to the depths below our woundedness, the more the vastness holds us up. There is no way to know this but to dive. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix in this moment. Everything is already good enough, just the way it is. And as always, see if this reminder helps you settle into a sense of spaciousness and freedom. A space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a moment to reflect on a pain or ache that you currently carry. Hold it gently before you. What is it? And as you breathe slowly and naturally, let's surround your pain or ache with a loving kindness meditation that keeps broadening your prayer for all living beings. May all living beings be filled with loving kindness. May we all be well in body and mind. May we feel cared for, protected, at ease. May we all touch deep, natural peace. And now continue repeating this mantra silently to yourself, using the words that resonate best with you. Do it a few times. I'll give you about a minute to do that. And now allow the silent prayer to subside. And notice, if you can, if your pain or ache soften, even if ever so slightly, softened by your love for the whole world. Do you feel that? As you gently let go of your practice now, notice what's going on for you, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. And if you want to experiment with using the loving kindness meditation to soothe and soften your own pain, go for it. And as always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.